Today, we are going to focus on summer celebrations. And for these celebrations, I'm not talking about celebrations like Christmas or Easter or your birthday. I'm talking about celebrations we have for America in this country. The three celebrations we're going to talk about are Decoration Day, Memorial Day, and Independence Day. The first one we're going to talk about is Decoration Day. And if you're like me, you might not know what Decoration Day is. I had to learn about it just like you are learning about it right now. So my objective for you is to learn all about what Decoration Day is. And in order to do that, we can start by looking at these three pictures. Think of any observation you can make. Some of the things I notice are that there are graves, there are flowers, and the pictures look old. Three words we are going to focus on to learn about Decoration Day are honored, Civil War, and grave. First word is honored, and this is the highest respect or esteem. The soldier was honored by the president for his brave acts. The second word is Civil War, and that is a war between people in the same country. America had a civil war in the 1800s between the North and the South. And the last word we're going to focus on is grave, and that is a place of burial for dead bodies. Many soldiers are buried in Arlington National Grave Site or Arlington National Cemetery. So when we focus on Decoration Day, this little paragraph is going to tell us about what Decoration Day is. Long ago, our country honored the soldiers who died in the Civil War. This day was called Decoration Day. Decoration Day was first celebrated on May 30th, 1868. People decorated the graves of soldiers. Now, this day is called Memorial Day. So long ago, about 150 years ago, people wanted to honor or show respect to soldiers that had died in the war. So by doing this, they decorated their graves, or they decorated the place they were buried. Now, we have changed that to Memorial Day, where we celebrate all soldiers that have passed in the war, not just the soldiers in the Civil War. So that's why we call it Memorial Day. So, if you are like me, on Memorial Day, you can look at your family and friends and say, did you know Memorial Day used to be called Decoration Day? Because I bet you some of them will not know that fact. So, oh no, it gave you the answer. Cover your eyes. I forgot to unhighlight it. There. So we're going to do a little quiz, even though you guys might already know the answer because it was highlighted. My question for you is, what is Decoration Day? And when you know that answer, hold it in your brain. Do not say it out loud. Is Decoration Day A day to tribute American culture? B, a day to honor American people? C, a day that is now called Memorial Day? Or D, a day to decorate your house? Remember, hold it in your brain. Don't say it out loud. And the answer is, you guys already know it. C, a day that is now called Memorial Day. So for the extension activity today, we are going to focus on the weekly literacy connection. When we listen to the sentence, we honor soldiers for serving in the war, we hear that word for. I want to focus on that word for today. So let's watch this little video about the word for.
F-O-R, F-O-R, this flower is for you. This flower is for you. F-O-R, F-O-R, this cupcake is for you. This cupcake is for you. F-O-R, F-O-R, this book is for you. This book is for you. F-O-R, F-O-R, I spell for. F-O-R.
Okay, so while this for is on the board, let's take our fingers and pretend to write for in the air. So everybody make an imaginary F, O, R, and say that word one time. For. Good job. So now it is your job to look at this literacy connection page in front of you. You're going to write the word for 3 times, tracing it. Then you're going to write it 3 times on your own. Inside this rectangle, you're going to circle anytime you see the word for, and right here, write how many times you circled it. Last on the front side, you're going to cut out the 3 squares, O, R, F, and put them in the correct order. If you are done, you can do an extra assignment on the back where you write me 1 sentence telling me what you do for Memorial Day and color a picture. I hope you guys learned about Memorial Day and Decoration Day today. So remember, when you celebrate Memorial Day, ask someone around you, did you know this holiday used to be called Decoration Day?